Welcome to Rob Talks. Today we're diving into the energy of the full moon in Libra on April 12th, 2025. It's a powerful lunar event that's all about relationships, balance, justice, and emotional alignment. Full moons typically bring clarity, culmination, and release. But in the sign of Libra, which is ruled by Venus, this one is calling us to take a deeper look at how we connect with others and how we hold space for ourselves within those connections. So let's talk about the spiritual meaning of this Libra full moon and how it will impact each zodiac sign. This moon is all about relationships, not just romantic ones, but also friendships, business partnerships, and how we relate to the world around us. Libra is the sign of harmony, diplomacy, and fairness. Under this full moon, we're being asked, are our relationships balanced? Are we showing up fully without losing ourselves in the process? And are we being honest about what we need while still listening to the needs of others? This is a time to let go of people-pleasing, to speak your truth with love, and to allow real healing to take place in your connections. But it's not all external. Libra also rules inner balance. This full moon could shine a light on where you've been giving too much of your energy away, and it's reminding you to return to your center. And don't be surprised if themes of justice, fairness, and truth come up. If something's been out of alignment, the Libra full moon brings it to the surface so you can make more empowered, heart-centered choices. Let's now break down how this energy might show up for you for each zodiac sign. Be sure to listen for your sun and rising signs for the most insight. Aries, this full moon brings focus to your relationships. You might feel pushed to clarify where you're giving too much or too little. It's time to find equilibrium in how you show up for others and for yourself. Taurus, you're being called to bring balance to your routines, health, and work habits. Is your daily life supporting your well-being? This moon may highlight the need for healthier boundaries or a more peaceful rhythm. Gemini, love and creativity take the stage. This full moon may bring a shift in romance or a breakthrough in a creative project. Either way, it's asking you to reconnect with what truly brings you joy. Cancer, home, and emotional safety come into focus. You may feel drawn to heal old wounds or change your living environment. This is about creating peace in your foundation. Leo, it's all about communication for you. You may have a conversation that brings closure or a new understanding. Speak your truth, but do it with compassion and grace. Virgo, your values, money, and sense of worth are illuminated. You're being asked to reflect on how you invest your time and energy, and whether it aligns with what you truly value. Libra, this is your full moon and it's a big moment of personal clarity. You may feel called to release an old identity and step more fully into who you truly are. Let go of what's not aligned with your evolution. Scorpio, the energy turns inward. This is a deeply spiritual full moon for you. You might find yourself facing subconscious patterns or old emotional baggage that's ready to be released. Sagittarius, friendships and your sense of belonging are in focus. A connection may shift, or you may feel called to find your soul-aligned community. Trust that the right people are aligning now. Capricorn, big shifts may unfold in your career or public image. You're being asked to step into leadership in a way that's fair, ethical, and aligned with your truth. Aquarius, your beliefs, vision, and personal truth are highlighted. You might feel drawn to explore new philosophies, start a course, or embrace a spiritual shift that brings you back into balance. Pisces, emotional depth is where the healing begins. This moon lights up themes around trust, intimacy, and transformation. Let go of control, release fear, and allow deep emotional connection to grow. Now let's look at how you can work with the energies of this full moon. Take time to journal on what feels out of alignment in your relationships or within yourself. Do a ritual like light a candle, set intentions, and release what you're ready to let go of. You may also want to meditate on your heart space to allow peace, grace, and truth to flow through you, or simply ask yourself, where can I create more fairness in my life? This Libra full moon is a beautiful invitation to return to your center in order to restore harmony, release imbalance, and choosing relationships that honor who you are becoming. It's a reminder that peace isn't passive. On the contrary, it's powerful. It requires truth, boundaries, and the courage to let go of what no longer fits. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to help us grow our channel.